What are you playing?
I was getting ready to play basketball.
We got love. Yeah, we've got the TV, we can watch Friends all we want. And we can laugh at how I laugh like Ross when I get nervous.
I have a full set of teeth.
So do I.
We don't have to worry about tomorrow.
Look at my eyes.
We know it's gonna
Hold on.
come whether we want to or not. I like simple songs with pretty words. I tried poetry, but it's just no good. The pages get lost. I'd much rather.
You're never gonna beat me in that.
But I will, because I almost did. I got the same score you did.
Wait, you never got 10.
Yes, I
No,
did.
you didn't. You got 9.
No, I got 10.
You got 9.
That day in my room, I got 10.
You got 9.
Don't you remember? Yeah, I got 10.
Josh! No, you didn't. Because you would have been like, oh, we had the same score, yada yada yada, I beat you, da 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 da. No. No! I'm still ahead of you. You're never gonna beat me in it.
Don't make me mad. Which one are you feeling, man? Great. This is all I'm gonna do. But the whole thing is, we put up my iPod, I'm just gonna use your laptop. Because you already have iTunes on it, and then I'll just have you bring it over and plug it in at my house. You know what I mean? Are you recording?
I've been.
I didn't know.
Yeah, I've been for like the past 10 minutes.
What's this thing? Seven minutes remaining.
I don't know what happened. I left my house with a full battery.